nice place. Wow. Tell me more, tell me more.
This house, actually, in the beginning, we start with the concept of the site.
Okay.
So the site is actually descending down, right?
Okay,
to
yes, yes.
So the massing of the house actually following that
All right.
contour of the
Okay.
land. And then the material itself, we use side cast concrete.
Okay.
So this is all the surface of the wall is actually made out of concrete that is kind of set on site. So it's not pre-made.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's a very custom made. And then I combine, in terms of material, combine with the wood to make it warmer.
This is a real
This is
jati
a,
wood.
yeah, it's a thick,
Wow,
thick
thick wood.
parquet, yeah.
Okay.
So the concrete is cool and then the wood is warm.
Okay.
So I a lot of times play with that contrast.
Okay.
And also we add outdoor space in many spots in the house
Right.
to bring in light and air into the house.
Okay. So this is the living room, Ibu.
Yes, yes. It's
Okay.
a living room and we have a pond here to cool off the space.
Right.
So when the lights come and it becomes cooler and it go into the living room.
Okay. Wow. Where will be the TV set and all is there?
Yeah, the TV set will be there. This is the sofa and we have a small working area, like a
Right.
desk here.
Okay.
And in the middle will be dining room and then in the back it's the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah.
All right. So it'll be very fun to relax here, listening to the water flow and having a glass of wine.
Yes, yes. For sure.
Okay. Oh, so this is the toilet of your mansion.
Yes, concrete mansion.
Please tell us more.
In the bathroom, we try to combine kind of mid-century modern style and also modern with the marble look, sintered stone actually.
Okay.
And I like the sintered stone because it has this continuous pattern that kind of holds the design together.
Right, right. And this is the natural lighting too, eh?
Yeah, we always try to incorporate natural light into each of the room in the house. In this case, it's a skylight, so you know during the day you don't have to turn on the light.
Okay. Wow. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. It's nice to take a shower here, I think. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is Quadra sintered stone. Yeah.
So this is the back of the house.
This is the back of the house.
Yes,
Okay.
because it's a corner house, so we
Right.
have to actually set back the house on two sides.
Okay.
And we utilize it to create more nature area.
Right.
And we have a outdoor sunken sitting area
Okay.
over there too.
Okay.
So I mean the house actually gain air and light from all over the side of the
Wonderful.
house. Yes.
Wonderful. So this house is partially completed. I can see that there are
Yes.
still some materials unused.
Yeah.
When do you reckon you'll finish all this?
It's probably in a couple of months.
In a couple of months?
Yeah, December should be finished.
I insist that you invite all of us for a housewarming party by you.
Hopefully, hopefully. I should thank the client to let us doing this.
Okay. All right. Okay.